Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Grub 2 installed, sudo access, and a theme package ready. Once done, copy the theme folder into /boot/grub/themes and keep a backup of /etc/default/grub so you can revert. Make sure to check disk space and ownership. Incorrect permissions break loading. Next, edit /etc/default/grub minimally to set grub theme equals /boot/grub/themes/your-theme/theme. TXT and save. This begins the active switch from default to your new visual. Now you apply changes. Run sudo update grub or grubmkconfig o/boot/grub/grub. CFG to regenerate configuration so grub reads the new theme. If update fails, check theme. TXT for correct relative or absolute asset paths and fix any missing background, font, or terminal settings. Grub ignores broken entries. Once the config regenerates successfully, optionally reinstall grub to the target disk with sudo grubinstall/dev/sdx to ensure bootloader consistency. After that, reboot to validate the visual and menu behavior. To finalize, reboot and watch grub load. If your theme appears, you're done. If it fails, use a live USB to mount the root partition and restore /etc/default/grub from your backup, then run sudo update grub and grub install again. Make sure file permissions, theme paths, fonts, and console resolution, for example 1024x768, are compatible. Mismatches cause no display. One key troubleshooting tip. Boot to rescue, confirm theme, TXT paths and fonts, and revert immediately if the menu becomes unresponsive to avoid locking the system.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.